Hey, Crewton Ramone's House of Math. Look, pardon me. I should have waited a second before turning the camera on. All right, so this is one she built, and it's x times x plus 11, which just gives us x squared, the big red one down there, and 11x. Took us a little while to count it. Try build me another one that has some units in it. You can just use those guys. Yeah, just break them apart and put them. Oh, you're gonna build a little one? Fine. Okay. Then what?
Then we all dance together.
Tell me what the factors are.
It's just a word.
Tell me what the factors are that you built.
What will we do?
The factors. How far across is it? X plus how many?
X plus 2.
Yep.
And then X plus 3.
Oh, I like it. So it's x plus 2 times x, times x plus 3. And the whole thing is what?
Turkey never got any legs.
You could draw some legs. Wait, turkey needs a head too. Anyway, so what do we have total over there? In your rectangle that you built? Count everything. What's the big red one called? Anytime. In fact, we're running out of time. We only have 15 minutes left. Count the big red one over there.
Circle? I don't see any circle.
Yeah.
Oh, the red one. X squared.
Yes. Plus how many x? And if you have to count them one at a time, I'm going to be very, very sad with you. Anyway, how many x?
5.
Very good. And how many units?
6.
Done. All right. Next time you can write it. But that's it. Well, do you hear me talking about distribution? Or do you hear any? Nope, we're just counting. I'm playing around. Obviously. All right. CrewtonRamone'sHouseOfMath.com for more.